Alright, so the next thing I have is by Bstick, and this is for my RV. And again, I have gadget issues. I'm going to take this out. What is this? This will work well in my RV. It is basically an extension cord. So it has a base that you can undo and take it off. And then you just plug that in like that. And then you can secure this either with some mounting tape, or it also gives you some screws if you want to permanently mount the base. It has 3 110 outlets on it, arranged in a good way, and it's small, compact. It has 3 USB outputs, and I believe that's a USB-C on top.
So I obviously misspoke when I said this is an extension cord. It's obviously a power strip, which gives you more protection. And in a smaller Class B, I have a few outlets, but being able to move power where I actually need it is going to be really helpful, and the small size is cool.
It has a 5-foot extension cord. Again, I think this is going to work really well in my RV. And it was 26 bucks on Amazon. I think that's what it was. I know I got these on sale days. I think that's the sale price I paid.
And now laptop speakers, which I needed.
Speakers for my laptop. I'll unbox them and everything. Alright, so we'll take them out. They're small. I'll give you all the details about them. They actually will clip on to the top of the laptop. So, yeah. Give me a second. They're by SUPVIN, SUPVIN. And these were like $13. Again, a sale day thing. They replaced, I've had these speakers for a really long time. They're magnetic. They're Targus. And I really liked them. I've actually had a couple sets of them. But the cord was just all messed up and it was time to replace. So, and here's the speaker. They are also USB powered. They're not wireless. And then you plug in, and then along the cord you can adjust the volume with this. And then what they also do is, if you look here, I'll try to get them close. They have clips, so you can set them as such, like that, on the ground if you want. Or you take them apart and you can clip them right to the top of your laptop. And that's what I've done. And so far I've been using them for a few days and really happy with them. I would recommend these. Another thumbs up product at a decent price. And then I'll show you how I've put them on the laptop. I mean, it's pretty simple. The only thing you have to do is there's an edge at the end. So you line it up so that's the edge of your top of your laptop. And obviously that means there's a right and a left. But good speakers, thumbs up.
Them being out of the way is actually pretty helpful.
All right, gonna do real fancy, showing you how it sounds. Next thing I have is by Bstick, and
These are the speakers up here, clipped on the top of the laptop.
I have gadget issues.
Turn the volume down.
Take this out.
It's all the way down. Watch it there.
It is basically an extension cord. So it has a base that you can undo and take it off. And then you just plug it.
Okay, music would be a better way of showing you, but this is what I'm doing. And again, my cell phone, not a fan. So now I'm going to unplug it and go with the laptop speakers to show you the difference.
There's 3 110 outlets on it, arranged in a good way, and it's small, compact. It has 3 USB outputs, and I believe that's a USB-C on top.
So the laptop doesn't sound that great. Plug the speakers back in.
It has a 5-foot extension cord. Again, I think this is going to work really well
and that's
in my
full
RV.
volume. I don't have it turned all the way up. I can do that with this. Now I've turned it down.
Hey there, YouTubers. I'm going to do a product review video on these new speakers for my laptop.
So using that, they can get pretty loud.
Unbox them and
That's what they sound like. Hope that helps.
We'll take them out. So there you go. A totally scientific and awesome way to show you what these speakers sound like. But at the price, I think they work really well. And I take my laptop on my RV travels, so they're small enough to pack along and take easily.
This demonstration really didn't do them justice. They sound better than this video shows.
Hope you enjoyed this stuff. Hope you enjoy the holidays. Stay safe. And if you're looking for some deals, Amazon's trying to sell people everything. Have a great and wonderful day. And I have some other things that hopefully I get uploaded soon.